Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So, this is going to be a little bit of a haul from I got one thing from Ross and I got some stuff from TJ Maxx. I've kind of been popping into the stores like I do, when I'm doing my sort of my craft and art hauling, so I try to, also do my beauty hauls and stuff like that too, right? So, um I went to Ross and I was looking for some shoes and I saw these gorgeous shoes here. Look at these shoes, y'all. Look at the bling on there. That is so up my alley. These are gorgeous. These are Jessica Simpson. This is a size 8-9. And they were 11.99, y'all. And they were originally $36. Right? So that's a great deal. And that's the sizing here. So if you go to Ross and you see these, I think they had these in different colors too. I want to say they had like a light blue and I don't know, one or two other colors. This is the only pink one I saw. Now, if they had a hot pink, I probably would have grabbed them, but I love this like sort of blush pink. It's absolutely beautiful and they're so soft. And I like that they have a little bit of a bottom to them. So very cute for 11.99, y'all. Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, right? Just beautiful. So me, so beautiful, so soft and girly. So I love those. I grabbed those. Now let me show you from the different trips. I've been to TJ Maxx maybe, I don't know, y'all, 2 or 3 times when I'm out and about. I was like, oh, let me pop in here and see what they got. So I was actually looking for like a bag, a couple of bags, but I couldn't find those. And I was looking for some shoes. I didn't find those, but of course I found other stuff. So I grabbed this MAC extension um mascara. It's fire. It's amazing, right? I've been using it. This is my second one and it's incredible. It makes your lashes so long and beautiful. Exactly what you see here on the packaging is how your lashes look. I love this stuff. Now, here's the thing. This used to be 12.99, so it went up $2. TJ Maxx is raising their prices on a lot of stuff, y'all. So this went up $2. I should have got another one when it was 12.99, but sometimes they have it in the clearance and it's like, I don't know, $12 or something like that, which is probably the original price. But I grabbed it. So I love using this stuff. I use it with my other mascara as well. So yeah, MAC Magic Extension. It's really good. Really, really good. I highly recommend it. All right. So I've been hearing a lot about the black snail, serums and face creams and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try this brand here. This is for eye care, eye cream, for firm and rejuvenating skin around the eyes, brightening, that kind of thing. So I don't know. The box was all chewed up, but it was how much was this, y'all? It was $6.99. Originally, I guess $10. I think it's a tube. So yeah, it's like that. That's pretty good. That's not a nice amount. So I'll let you know how I like it. I'll try it. I do like a good eye cream. I have been using I think Clinique and I think theirs is like $40. So yeah. I haven't used that in a long time, but that's one of my favorites, the Clinique eye cream. The firming eye cream was amazing. But it was like $45 or something like that. I don't know. That was a few years ago, but I'm gonna try something new this time, right? So this time I also grabbed some of the Cream Shop little um hand creams. These are kind of popular now. This is Mango Fluff, shea butter and vitamin E, and it was $4.99. Okay, so some of these creams were different prices. This one was $4.99, so I just grabbed this one. I guess it's a tube. I don't want to open it right now because I may give it away. I don't know. Let me see here. I don't know. It's a tube, y'all. Oh yeah, there we go. I can still put the tape back on there. Oh yeah, see that's a nice little tube for your purse. So very nice. I like the Cream Shop products. I'm a fan. All right, so we got that. And then I love this brand, the Truly brand. I love this. This is like the third facial serum that I grabbed. I absolutely love this. It's amazing, right? Really, really beautiful. Actually, third or maybe the fourth product that I got from them because I got a lip butter from them that I absolutely love. Everything that I've gotten from the Truly brand is so far I love. So this is a strawberry glaze glow facial serum. It has strawberry nenemicide and an antioxidant boost. Okay, it's vegan, clean, and high performing and animal cruelty free, made in the US with global ingredients. I love that. I love that. And chemical free. So these products are amazing. So if you are in TJ Maxx, Marshalls, I haven't seen this in Ross yet, but that's not to say they don't have it. I just haven't seen it. But TJ Maxx and Marshalls and probably Nordstrom's Rack probably has this brand. You should probably check it out because it's really, really good. Really good stuff. So, and this is a big bottle and it was $16.99. It was so worth the price. So worth it. I'm halfway done. I got another facial serum. It's like a vitamin C one. I'm like halfway done with that one. I use almost all of that. So how many ounces is this? 3.4 ounces. So that's a really big jar. I love that, right? Strawberry glaze, it's called by Truly. I love that. My favorite. One of my favorites. So um let me see. Okay, so the last couple things that I grabbed from TJ Maxx was this. I got this recently. So these are all separate trips, y'all. Two things here, one thing there, and popped in a Ross and stuff like that. So this is from a more recent trip. I like the Jacqueline Cosmetics brand. I actually got some stuff from Marshalls from her line, and I will show that in my next video because I got a Marshalls haul after this. All right, so you can check that video out. Yeah, I love the Jacqueline Cosmetics. Again, another one. Everything that I've tried from this brand, I loved. It works great for my skin tone. It works great for me. The colors are highly pigmented. All of that. This is lip oil. It's really beautiful. This one's called Candy Drip, and this one's called Violet Drip. It's really nice, y'all. I kind of already peeked at it. I love it. Look at that. It is beautiful, and it goes on very clear, very sheer, because it's like a lip oil. It almost looks like a lip gloss, but it's lip oil. It's fabulous. It's really fabulous. So yeah, and these were $5.99 each. I'm gonna go try and find some of the other colors, but I really like these. I love. Let's see. I've got a couple eyeshadows from her, y'all. I got some face powder. I got several items from this line, the Jacqueline Cosmetics line. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's crazy how you can go to a store like that and find so many brands that you really like and that work for you. It's just wow. I would have never been able to try some of this stuff had it not been for TJ Maxx and Marshalls and whatnot. So, and then this one is called Violet Drip. This is also very beautiful. Look at that. This is so beautiful. Just gorgeous. Just beautiful. I don't even know why I'm putting them back in the box. I'm going to put them right in my purse. They're just so pretty. So I'm going to check and see if they have some other colors, but they were both $5.99. All right. So I grabbed those. And I think that's all from that is all from TJ Maxx, I think. Okay, so this is a part of the TJ Maxx haul. This is a beautiful set of bling makeup brushes that I grabbed at TJ Maxx. It's a 30-piece set. It comes with the makeup brushes, the beauty blenders, the eyelash curler. You get a headband in here, a cup for all of the brushes. You get some hair clips, which are gorgeous, and this is what the front looks like. Glitz and Glam is called. All right, 30-piece set, and then it comes with the rest of the brushes here. Just absolutely beautiful. It was $29.99, y'all. It was just beautiful. For this you get a lot for the price, $29.99, right? They had other colors and styles in the makeup brush set, but this was the only bling set that I saw. That's not to say they're not coming out with other colors or whatever. I would love pink, but I think this is a lot. So when I set up my new glam table, which should probably be toward the end of the year, I'm going to put this on my table. Okay. Just absolutely gorgeous. Look at those brushes. Just beautiful. They look so high end and soft and beautiful, right? Just gorgeous. Right up my alley with the bling. So I just want to share that with you. You can probably find it at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I got this at TJ Maxx again for $29.99, right? So check it out if you are in the store, all right? And so I only got a few things from Marshalls, and I will do just another little short video on that, all right? So if you have any questions or comments, please leave it below, and I'll answer and get back to you. Check out my Linktree link for all of my additional links for my other channel, Stephanie Garrett Creative. If you like to watch, craft hauls and jewelry making and art, come and check me out on my other channel, and that link is also in the Linktree, and all the other links that I have available are there, all right? So, thanks for watching, and I will catch you next one. Bye for now.